Good day everyone, my name is J.K. Morales and this is my video for our purpose of communication. Today I want to talk about something that is essential to our personal and professional lives. Effective communication. Communication is the foundation of any successful relationship, team or organization. It's the key to building trust, resolving conflicts, and achieving our goals. But how often do we take communication for granted? How often do we assume that others understanding us or that we understand them? Effective communication is not just about conveying information, it's about conveying meaning, it's about being heard, understood, and valued. So what are the essential elements of effective communication? First, active listening. We listen actively. We give the speaker our undivided attention. We focus on their words, tone, and body language. We ask clarifying questions and seek feedback. Second, clear and concise messaging. When communication clearly and concisely, we avoid misunderstanding and misinterpretation. We use simple language, avoid jargon, and get straight to the point. Third, emotional intelligence. When we emotionally intelligence, we're aware of our own emotions, that the emotion of other we emphasize, sympathize, and we respond with compassion and understanding. Fourth, nonverbal communication. Our body language, facial expression, and tone of voice, conveying just as much information our words, and we're mindful of our nonverbal cues. We can build trust, establish rapport, and conveying confidence. Finally, feedback and adaptation. We want to communicate effectively. We often feedback and willing to adapt. We recognize that communication is two-way street and that we can always improve. Effective communication is the foundation of any successful relationship, team, or organization. By practicing active listening, clearing concise messaging, emotional intelligence, nonverbal communication, and feedback and adaptation, we can build trust, resolving conflicts, and achieve our goals. Let's make effective communication a priority in our personal and professional lives. Let's listen, let's speak, and let's connect with each other in meaningful ways. Thank you.